Okay, at what time did the class get disconnected? Hello? Hello? Is it sir?
Yes. Yes, sir. May
Yeah,
continue.
yeah, exactly. At what time did
I
the
think
class get
Setu
disconnected?
is not connected.
I don't know exactly because I didn't get any notification regarding the class getting disconnected. That is exactly at what time did the class get disconnected? Last 5 minutes or just now? Hello?
Hello. Yes, yes. Hello.
Yeah, yes. Exactly at what time did the class get disconnected?
Anytime you tell.
But no, ma'am. Till what did you hear? That is what I'm asking because I have to continue from that question.
Hello. Your voice is not clear.
1 minute.
Hello. Please text.
Ma'am, is my voice audible now?
Yes, yes, but slightly break your voice.
Is it audible now, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. At exactly what time did the class get disconnected? Or till what
Today or
topic?
tomorrow?
No, no, now I'm asking. You said it got disconnected, right? At what time did it get disconnected? Because I have to start from that question.
Actually, not getting your point.
No, actually, you said the class got disconnected, right? Everything got shut down right now, right?
Can you text me? Actually, your voice is not coming clear.
But then for me, your voice is all coming clearly and everything. Sedu sir, am I audible now?
Yeah, you
Yeah, it's
are
okay.
audible.
Yeah, yeah, okay. So Sedu sir, at what time did the class get disconnected?
Mm,
Okay, today? Don't
No, till
know.
what topic was it audible from my side? What I'm asking is, to what topic did you learn, like listen?
Can you share your screen? I'll let you know. We were discussing, the base map and the drone image you're showing.
Yeah, okay. So that is right. Okay, I'll continue from there. Okay, so this will be your village map of whatever we are doing. Okay, so once this is how it will be. So I'm aligning my. It is like, see, I have taken drone data, I have aligned it with it, and once the scale is all done perfectly, I have to start digitalizing this portion. Okay. So once this portion is all getting digitalized, I can use polyline tools. So I'll start digitalizing like this. This is, for example, I'm telling. Okay, so I'll start digitalizing like this. And
This
when I
is
go to,
recording, right? Sorry.
yeah, classes recording, classes recording.
Okay.
Yeah, when I go to properties, I'll have my length and area here. See, so this is the same like RGS only. Where you go to attribute table, here you have to check in properties. So every line that you draw will have its own length, area, whatever it is. Okay, so once you have digitalized it like this, then it will be like this. You will do multiple FMBs here. See, we have created a. See, this is how it will be. You have multiple land plan and we have survey number, whatever it is. So this is the final digitalized portion of your land plan 1:1, which is we have digitalized from this drawing. Okay, I'll show it to you like this. So see here we have digitalized and this will be the final digitalized output. Okay, and we have survey numbers here, so which we'll mention it here also. When you are working for a client, This will be your, for example, if you are taking any one FMB, for example, I'll take this FMB 339 bar 1. I have to take adjacent FMB. I'll take this survey number. I'll take this survey number here 338 and 339. Now, when you are taking a survey number, you have to also take the survey number which is adjacent to it. So for 339 bar 1, 339 bar 3 is there, 338 is there, 338 bar 4. All these survey numbers are adjacent. So when I'm flying drone, I'll be flying for this portion actually. So I'll take a buffer. I'll fly including the adjacent also. Okay, so that now when my see this will be the area where I will be flying drone. So that my area will be in center and I can code the nearby FMBs also. So instead of doing one FMB, I have to take data for all 5 or 6 FMBs and I have to merge it together using ICL process. I'll put it together, I'll digitalize and I'll create a map like this. Okay.
And if you are flying the drone in the other private property,
Yes.
is it any violation, or we can do
No,
that?
no, nothing violation, sir. There is no violation at all because for example, if you are going for manual survey, so they'll take reference from any one survey stone or any one thing on the field. Okay. So same like this, when you are going to do survey for this portion, you have to consider nearby survey numbers also, no other option.
Mm.
Okay. So it will be like
And
this.
the stone, will it
Mm-hmm.
be perfect? I mean, in some areas there will be issues, legal
So
issues, and
actually,
there will be.
that stones all will be like 20 to 50 years old. When the Survey of India started the survey, they'll have this starting point for every village.
Mm, mm,
Okay, so they'll put like from this stone northeastern side or this much distance, this plat starts. Okay, so
mm.
when you are considering for actual survey, that stone will never be moved actually. Okay, so that is a stationary benchmark point which is fixed on all survey numbers.
What if the
So
people have removed it, of
no, if they
knowing
moved it
their
also once in 5 years or 6 years or once in 2 years, the local Tahsildar will come and verify the position of the stone. So that they are verifying most often now. Okay, so
okay,
that no
so
people will not move it as per their convenience.
mhm.
So
Okay,
that
so
stone will be there.
there is an operation that means like the separate operation will be happening at every frequency, every duration, some period of time to
So
monitor
your
these
voice is,
things.
yeah, there will be monitoring.
Okay.
The local surveys will have the task of monitoring the stone because people should not move it as per their convenience.
Oh, oh,
So you have to take reference from that survey stone, identify your particular plot and fly drone for it, take all this data and once you have overlapped everything, this is how it will be. See, my drone data is here. So I have taken it like this. I want 339. It will be like this. Same survey number, same location, but with the drone image. I have taken the adjacent survey numbers also, and this will be my total coverage area for drones. So this is a full survey. For example, I have taken for like 40 FMBs here. For 40 survey numbers I have taken here for one client. This will be the overall image for all 40 clients. Like all for 40 survey numbers. This you have to fix it perfectly. Actually, it will fit perfectly unless and until you have some issue with the survey data or any other things. Even the railway tracks, your survey numbers, the boundaries, everything should actually fix perfectly. So this is how you can, so this is what now the government requires. Okay. So this is how the output format now the government requires that this is the survey number and this is a particular location. And this is already executed for Karnataka. This is actually completed for Karnataka. Even now in Tamil Nadu, it is like we are starting it now, right? For Karnataka, they have already executed these portions. So here we can take latest survey data from Karnataka with all the
executed
satellite images.
with. with the help of English drone.
No, they have taken from multiple agencies only. What
Mm,
it is like is they have given it for multiple agencies, so there they will do it. Yeah, I'll show you that also. Then now in Tamil Nadu, they are now only they are doing it. It is in process. Whereas in Karnataka, it is already over. There is this website called Bhumi for Karnataka. Okay, here you need survey documents or RTC with sketch. Okay, so there are two options. One is you need survey document, or we'll have RTC with sketch, where the survey document is you need to have an account and all other thing. So RTC with sketch, you can take it out. Okay, see, I will go for any one village. I have district, taluk, see. This is from Karnataka state government. So when I take any one particular survey number, for example, 23 bar 2, I'm giving search. So here, this is the survey number I want. See, I have taken the survey number. It will give me all everything, ongoing land conversation in this, who's the owner, case number, if there is anything. So is there any mutations or subdivisions? What is the RTC survey number? And we have everything. See, I have three subdivisions. 1A is there. This portion is 1A. I can take all the details regarding the land portion. And see, I have can take in digitalized sketch also. This is only digitalized sketch. Okay. I go to survey document, I can check it. Form 16A also I can have. Even Form 16A is there. I can directly take a printout of this page. I'll have all details here. So this is how now Tamil Nadu state government is doing in process. Like every map, every village, every section, it should be digitalized with a satellite image. I can select any other district, any other taluk, and any other village map. I'll go to that location. So this is what Tamil Nadu state government is trying to do from external agencies. So these type of survey is what. So once this type of survey is done, this is all submitted to government for further development process. They'll connect every survey map with one another and create a perfect map like this.
but they are doing it as of now. They are doing it through satellite images.
No, this digitalizing is all done from land plan. The
Oh,
digitalizing portion, they are doing it
oh,
from land plans only. So what they are doing is, but then they are digitalizing the track with all survey maps and all other things. That's all. See, they have these type of land plans in all location. They are digitalizing it. They are putting coordinates into it so that when they put it in their website, it goes and exactly sits here. That's all. It is a very lengthy process which they are doing now,
mm,
but they are almost going to complete it. Karnataka is going to complete it. See, so this is how they'll digitalize their data, put it into survey records. See, I have taken a village here. This is now we have to purchase from the government actually. When I'm selecting a survey number, see, I get the FID. What is this parcel? What is the label? Survey number? What is the village code? Village name, sub-district, state, country, everything. This is applicable for all survey numbers into this location. So once this is all is what they have done it here. This is a copy of the survey data which we have purchased. This is how the state document will show you the survey number. So once you want it for the entire village, you have to pay the premium amount and they will send you these type of drawing files in 1:1. So this is the drawing file what they have sent us for 1:1. So this is how this boundary will be perfecting. This will also will not tell this will be a perfect. See here you have a water body, but it is not a water body here. These are all survey data with which they have started. See, it will be 70 to 90% accurate, but it is the only reliable data which the government agency is depending on. So, in order
When
to
digitizing,
avoid, yes, sir.
like when digitizing, do you have idea like how much area they will be digitizing at a time? Like uh, one
It
by
will be
one
like
village or panchayat?
it will be like
Because
based on
it's
village.
mm,
Like they'll take it is like how they are proposing is here. They'll propose one district, and that district collector will split it into multiple blocks. And at last, now what it will come is it will come to the local municipality engineer or the panchayat engineer. So he'll have 4 or 5 villages under him that will be under one agency. So that one agency will digitalize 5 villages for one panchayat. Like the same way, like there will be 10 to 15 agencies, 10 to 15 panchayats. So they'll all submit the entire data to the particular block. So they'll again put one agency, coordinate everything, align everything, fix everything perfectly. They'll again send it to the local district. And like the same way, all districts will do it in order to get one particular full data for a state. So here it is in village basis. When it is in village basis also, there will be like hundreds of agencies working in so many villages. At last, they will all be put together by any one agency or any one government department, which is here the Bhumi maps. So this department collects data from every agency. They do all merging work and they will provide you with this type of particular data where you can use it. See, when I'm selecting it, this yellow color is my village, the blue color is my Hubli, which is the block. The next one is the taluk, and the final yellow one is my district.
so per
So this is
village
not.
itself, 100 the agency will be
We will
for
have more than 100 entities also. We can have 150 survey numbers. These are all old survey numbers. If you are taking for the last 5 years, there might be so much subdivisions, so much sellings and all other things. So first, what they are doing is they are creating the base record. So once this base record is created, as per the latest registrations, they can just split the survey number. That's all. See, this might be with 3 owners also now. See, this is all as per older record. It is a one survey number. Now, due to the coloring, I'll tell this might be from 3 different owners. Once this base map is ready, they can automatically split it. See here, you have 2 owners, one this side, one here, one four. So this is the older survey number which was previously having. See, this is the older survey number. The first number is the very old number. Okay, so for example, 66 if you take, previously it should be owned by one single person. After while selling, they might have splitted it as 660, 66 bar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then when that 66 bar 1 is been sold out into two multiple portions, it will be like 660, 66 bar 1A, 1B, 1C. And again, if that is getting sold out, it will be like this 660 bar, 66 bar 2A bar 1, A bar 2, A bar 3, A bar 4. So it will be like that only. They will not assign you a new survey number, whereas they will assign you a subdivision portion. So it will be like previously it will be like 66. When they are selling it into 2%, it will be 66 bar 1, 66 bar 2. In these two portion, I'll consider 660 bar 1 when it is sold, it will be bar 66 bar 1A and 66 bar 1B. When this is also sold in multiple portions, it will be like 66 bar 1A1 or 66 bar 1A2. So it will be like this only. The more subdivisions and sellings it is happening into multiple, this is one survey owned by one person. Okay, here you have one person, whereas this one person sold it into two portions. And this one person has sold it into two portions, and this one person has sold it into two portions. It will be like that only. If they are not, if this person is not selling it into two portions, it will still be 66 bar 1A. If the owner is one, if the owner is multiple, or for example, you are purchasing it and after 50 to 20 years, your daughters and sons are getting splitting the portion, it will be again 66 bar 1A1, 1A2, 1A3, 1A4, whatever it is.
Mm.
So this is how the numbering system in the survey department works. So now we are doing this purpose. So this we did it for a registration purpose only. What I have shown you, this is for a registration purpose only. What we have given them, they are purchasing it all. They are one agency is purchasing all these lands. We have given them one full data for this. So it will be like this only.
So, so this technology,
Mhm.
since you are in background of civil, you got to know this, or it's after
No,
the
no.
work
Since I'm
experience?
working with land plan, I'm getting to know this. That's all. There is nothing like no people will learn it. One
Mm,
see local real estate agents also know how survey number works, how village works, and all other things because they are into that field. It is not like since I'm from civil background, I'm getting to know it. It will be like since I'm working on that portion on land record management and all other things. Since I worked and I'm still working, I know all these survey numbers, how this works, and how it goes on. That's all.
mm.
So once you started to work with the same person and all other things, you can also get to know all these details. This is all like from experience only, you'll be getting to know all these things. So what I have shown you is for like 40 survey numbers we have taken. We have taken for one survey number also for one agent that is also there. So if you ask, it is better to start with one single survey number rather than going for 40 to 50 survey numbers at a time. You can start with one survey number because if you are taking one survey number, you need all the adjacent survey numbers. At minimum, it will be four survey numbers on the adjacent. So you have to do survey work for five survey numbers and take it out and finish it off. But you can only charge the client for one. So your pricing should be quoted in such a way that it covers the cost of doing all five survey numbers. So that is how your quoting should work and everything. So say is there everything clear regarding this topic?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
If
yes,
in
sir.
case anything needed,
Yes, yes, sir.
yeah, as of now, it's fine. In case anything needed, I'll let
Yeah,
you
okay. Since you know we have started with this portion, I'll advise you both to start with digitalizing work also. I think so. You have completed your image processing work. Mamta ma'am didn't start image processing. Mamta ma'am, I request you to start with the image processing to query or anything. That is your choice.
Okay, okay,
And
okay,
you can also, once it is done, I have given you sample data for digitalizing and mapping. I have given you a database and everything. Or you can
okay,
create your own database, start with the digitalizing. I'll give you a spec and I'll give you the images. I'll post it today and then again. I'll give you some three or four sample images. I'll give what are all the attributes to be there. So based on that, you
okay,
can create your own database and do it. So by
okay,
Monday, then we can start with, and I think so, if Sedu sir will not be available by tomorrow, then Mamta ma'am also you have to check with. And if not, we'll have this geological survey data. So just like this FMB, we'll discuss about geological survey map, how it is done and how we do it on Monday. And after that, we'll start with this production and hands-on discussions and all. Because once you're starting to digitalize or creating a database only, you'll have so much doubts because there are so much criteria to create a database. So
okay,
when you are trying it on hands-on only, you'll be able to know it. So it is better you complete your digital image processing with this week, Mamta ma'am, so that now we can start with the digitalizing from Sunday. I'll send you the all data by today evening itself. Or I'll put a list in
okay,
the group like first you have to complete this, second you have to do this, third you have to do this, and I'll give the detailed description and scope also. For creating a database, I'll give you what are all the criteria, like what are all features I want and whatever it is. So based on that, you can know how to create a database, and if you have any doubts, we can discuss it over any class. So from Monday after the geology is completed, it will be like fully discussions only, like how we are doing it, and I'll check through your corrections and all other things, and I'll give you tips and additional whatever it is there as per your database and how it is done. Okay, so we'll have better hands-on and
okay,
know what it is on field. And we can, I'll also give one data for this FMB and one geology map also. That also I'll provide. Like we can take it from forward from this. Initially, we'll start with the basic digitalizing and I'll give you full and land planning data also and geology data also, which you can create based on the scope which I provide you. So that you will have your own experience on creating a full map and full report regarding that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. So before Monday, I want you two people to digitalize at least 1 square kilometer. I'll send 2 tiles. Even if you're taking single tile also is fine. I'll send a tile which is having all data so that I'll provide you a list of data you can digitalize from it. Okay. And in the
Okay.
meantime, you have to complete this image processing also, Mamta ma'am, since you didn't start with image processing.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. And I think so we have installed software for you also, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So you can start trying out with this and I'll share the sample data and everything, okay? And if you want any specific data to be reshared, you just put it in the group so that as per that I'll reshare that data. It is all there in the drive which I've given, but if it is not there, you just put it in the group so that I'll reshare those data once again, okay? And is that course module enough, no? Since I have sent you one sample module, I guess, in the group. I'll check that and I'll put to that core phase module also for one module. And if it is okay, I'll continue with the balance. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay. Good. So with that, we'll wind up today's class. And Sir, if you'll not be able to available to attend the class tomorrow, just mention it in the group so that they'll do the planning and other things.
oh.
Okay.
Ma'am, Prithvi, ma'am,
And
so you will be available, right? So if you are available, then if you want, you can have the session. I'll watch the recordings.
Mamta ma'am, I think so. Mamta ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Sarvana.
Yes, ma'am. Sedu sir said he'll not be available tomorrow for the class. And
No,
so
I'm
he's telling,
available.
no, that is what he
If
will not be available. Yeah, that is what he's telling. He
okay.
will not be available. So he'll put it in
Okay.
the group. So based on that, he's telling us to go forward with the geology class tomorrow. And from Monday,
Okay.
he said he'll join.
Okay. 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 It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we can have it in the same time, 11:30. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.